If you've ever wanted to personalize or clarify your Jira projects just a bit more, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change the issue type icon in Jira, making those task types instantly recognizable for your whole team. This is a simple customization, but it can really clean up your board and make your workflow more intuitive. Let's not waste any time, let's dive right in. So first things first, go ahead and open Jira in your web browser. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple projects. This ensures you're making changes in the right place. Nothing's more confusing than updating something and then realizing you were in a sandbox project the whole time. Next, locate the specific task or issue where you want to change the icon. For this step, you can use the search bar or simply browse through your board to find the task. When you found it, click to select and open up the task details. The display might look a little different depending on your Jira version, but you should see all the key information laid out for that issue. Give the page a second to load. If it's pulling in a lot of custom field data, no rush. At the top of the issue panel, you'll notice the current issue type icon. It might be something generic, maybe a little exclamation mark or a standard shape depending on how your Jira was set up. Click directly on this icon. You may notice it acts almost like a button, revealing a drop-down menu. Don't worry if you've never clicked here before, it's exactly the right spot. From the drop-down, you'll want to look for an option that says either Edit or Manage Work Type. Sometimes this menu hides a few extra options, but you're specifically looking to manage the type of work this issue icon represents. Click on that. This step takes you to the issue type customization view where the fun begins. Now in the customization view, you'll see the current icon shown front and center. Click on this icon. This is what lets you pick a new image. Jira gives you a built-in collection of icons, often organized by theme or color, so scroll through those options. If you find one that fits the new use or meaning of your task, simply select it. But if you want something even more personalized, you can actually upload your own icon here. For example, if you have a unique symbol your team recognizes, or if you just want to brighten things up with a color you like, feel free to upload your own file. Just be sure it's clear at small sizes since Jira uses pretty tiny icons. Once you've picked your new icon, either from Jira's list or your own upload, click Select to confirm your choice. Don't worry if you want to change your mind later, this is entirely reversible, and as the last step, be sure to click Save Changes. This final confirmation is easy to overlook, but it's really important. If you close the window or navigate away too soon, your new icon won't be saved, and you'll have to repeat those last steps. And that's it. You've just customized your Jira issue type icon, making your tasks pop visually for you and your team. These small changes can have a big impact on project clarity, so don't hesitate to play around with icons that suit your workflow best. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop me a comment below. I'm happy to help. And remember, for more practical Jira tips and easy-to-follow tech tutorials, hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.